In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reference plane in Revit. A reference plane is a construction guide that helps you align, measure, and place elements precisely. Think of it like a laser line in your model that you can use to snap and line things up accurately. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening a view where you can clearly see the geometry you want to align. You can use a plan, an elevation, or a section view. The key is to choose the view that gives you the best visual context. For example, if you're aligning walls, doors, or furniture in a floor layout, a plan view is usually the easiest place to work. If you're aligning heights, profiles, or vertical elements, an elevation or section view will give you a better perspective. Before placing the plane, take a moment to pan and zoom so the area you care about fills most of your screen. The clearer you can see the geometry, the more accurately you can place the plane. Next, go to the Architecture tab, then look for the Work Plane panel and select Reference Plane. This activates the Reference Plane tool. Once it's active, your cursor will be ready to place the plane, and you'll notice snapping cues that help you align to edges, midpoints, and intersections. These snaps are your best friend for precision, so pause and let the snap highlight the exact point you want. Now draw the reference plane by clicking 2 points in your view. The first click sets the starting point of the plane's line, and the second click sets its direction. Don't worry about length. Even though you're drawing a line, the reference plane itself extends infinitely in 3 dimensions. The important part is the orientation of that line in your current view. The plane you place is perpendicular to the view you're working in, which means the view determines the plane's orientation in 3D space. After placing it, you'll see the line representing the plane, often with small arrowheads to show direction. You can use this line to snap other elements, align components, or visually check your spacing. If the plane seems hard to spot in other views, remember that visibility depends on the view's range and angle. Switch to a different view that's perpendicular to where you drew it, and it should appear clearly. And that's it. Choose a clear view, activate the reference plane tool, and click 2 points to define its direction. With that, you've set up a precise guide you can rely on throughout your model.